Friends, how are you? Students, I hope you are fine and your study is going on. Students, in this video we are going to discuss about the types of cell. In earlier videos we have discussed about the history and cell theory and the different cell shape and cell sizes. So in this video we are going to discuss about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, which are two types of cell. So let's try to understand prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, it is the first type of cell. It is the Greek term. So what does it mean? Pro means primitive. Primitive means false. False. So first, if we want to split the term, that is pro means primitive, primitive means false. So false you understand very well. And then karyotic. Karyotic means carry on. Carry on, it is also Greek term. Karyon means nucleus. Nucleus. So the term, it is false nucleus. So cells in which the nucleus is false. Which nucleus is false nucleus? On which there is no cell, no nuclear membrane is found. Means nucleus, I think you have studied in 8th class also. So nucleus is the structure. It is central cell organelle. It is situated here. You can see here in this cell. It is nucleus, and this is, you are looking here, this is nuclear membrane. So nucleus which is not surrounded by the cell membrane called false nucleus. So prokaryotic cells are the cells in which false nucleus are found, means there is no nuclear membrane is present. And eukaryotic, term eukaryotic, if we want to split the term, u means true, and karyotic means carry on, and carry on means nucleus. So here true nucleus is found, means nucleus, which nucleus is true nucleus? When nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is present, then this type of cell is known as the eukaryotic cell. So I think you are understanding. So prokaryotic vs eukaryotic cells. What are the examples of prokaryotic cells? Mycoplasma, I think I explained the structure also of mycoplasma in earlier videos. If you didn't watch, you can go to the description box, links are given, you can watch. And bacteria, this is the bacterial cell. Bacteria is the example of prokaryotic cell, and mycoplasma is also the example of prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, what are the example of eukaryotic cell? Animal cell and plant cell. Means our cells are eukaryotic cells. So the living being in which prokaryotic cells are found, these are known as the prokaryotes. So prokaryotes are the living being and their cells are prokaryotic cell. And the example of eukaryotic cells, these are eukaryotes. So eukaryotes are the living being in which eukaryotic cells are found. That is why we are eukaryote, not prokaryote. We are eukaryote. So let's understand the differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Let's try to understand with this chart. So students, this is the table of differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. First we will discuss about the DNA. DNA, what is DNA? DNA is the genetic material. DNA is the thread like structure present in the nucleus. Means nucleus, इस तरह से जो क्रोमेटिन थ्रेड, आप लोगों ने सेल का स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा होगा, क्रोमेटिन थ्रेड जो पड़ा रहता है ये डीएनए का बना होता है. सो दिस इज द डीएनए. सो डीएनए इज नेकेड. नेकेड मीन्स it is not surrounded by any membrane in prokaryotic cell. That is why DNA is naked. And DNA is circular, means DNA of prokaryotes is circular DNA, means it is not like this one ball of thread. It is just like circular DNA only. So this is circular DNA, usually no introns. It is not of your class, you will study it in higher classes, so don't look it. And next difference, organelles. What are the organelles? The smaller structures are present inside the cell. These are called cell organelles. So cell organelles, no nucleus, means there is no nuclear membrane. That is why there is no existence of no nucleus. That is why no nucleus and no membrane bound. Nucleus is not present and also nuclear membrane is not found. Here has a nucleus. Nucleus is present. I shown in earlier slide. And membrane bound. Membrane is present means nuclear membrane is present. Ribosome are the structures present inside the cell. So these are globular structures, just like bead-like structures. These are called ribosome. So ribosomes of prokaryotes are 70S type. 70S type ribosome, and eukaryotes have 80S ribosome. 80S and 70S ribosome we will discuss in the structure of cell in detail. So what are the 70S and 80S ribosome? Keep watching the series of videos. Students, reproduction in prokaryotes occur binary fission. Binary fission means when a cell, it is divided into two cell only. Two cell. This is known as the binary fission. Means these are the prokaryotes, or these are the living beings which are unicellular, only made up of single cell. That is why they have no chance to divide into multiple cells. So single cell is divided into two cells. This process is known as the binary fission in the case of unicellular organism. And here it is mitosis and meiosis. Just like same, the cells of multicellular, eukaryotes are multicellular organism. Multicellular means the living beings, just like us, living beings have more than two cells, are known as multicellular organism. Living beings have only single cell. These are single cellular or unicellular organism. Binary fission occurs in prokaryotes, mitosis and meiosis. These are the types of cell division. When one cell is divided into two cells and these two cells again divides into another two cells, this chain reaction is known as the cell division. And cell division is of two types, mitosis and meiosis. This is also a advanced topic and you will study it in 10th class. So students, let's understand single chromosome haploid. Single chromosomes means the single DNA, circular DNA, and this is known as the single chromosome. And in eukaryotic living being, chromosomes are many in number and are remains in pair. So just like in pair, the thread of the DNA, it broken out and forms the different segments of different fragments of this thread, and these fragments are known as chromosome. So these chromosomes looks in pair, and that is why this is known as the diploid. So diploid chromosomes are present. Average size, it is about 1 to 5 micrometer, and this is about 10 to 100 micrometer. Now come back on previous slide, and here we will see the structure. So this is the prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, nuclei. This is circular DNA called nucleoid. These are bead-like structure called ribosome. Cell membrane and cell wall is found in prokaryotes, but eukaryotes also cell wall is present. Cell wall in prokaryote is made up of peptidoglycan. But in plant cell or eukaryotes, cell wall is made up of cellulose or chitin. So these substances are found in cell wall of eukaryotes and peptidoglycan. It is the type of carbohydrate it is present in the prokaryotic cell. So in eukaryotic cell, cytoplasm, outside of the cell, this is the cell membrane, and inside the cell the cytoplasm is present, and inside the cytoplasm different cell organelles are found, just like endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, nucleolus. It is the bead-like structure present inside the nucleus. Nuclear membrane, Golgi body, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast. So all these structures are known as the cell organelles present in the eukaryotic cell. So in earlier video we have discussed the rest part, and in next video we will discuss about the structure of cell and difference between the animal cell and plant cell. So keep watching students, it will be helpful for you. Thank you.